simple. If I could do it, you could do it, right? All right.
Hi, my eaters. Judy Ann here from Just8ate.com. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy AppleTinis. It's so easy, anyone can make this. That's right. But this recipe calls for alcohol. So in the United States, in order for you to consume alcohol, you need to be 21. And so please drink responsibly. But definitely check out the hashtag DrinkTips because I have 8 amazing YouTube friends that are making a drink recipe as well. And so let me give you a list of my amazing YouTube friends. And they're Chef Adventures, Cooking with Kory, Robbie2Vlogs, Kitchen Instruments, YesterKitchen, Cooking My Way, Ryan GS, Barbecue Stuff, and Kitchen Queers. That's right, Kitchen Queers. That's the real name. I'm not being mean. That's the real name of the channel. So you gotta definitely check them out. I will have the links in the description box below for their drink recipes. But that being said, let's just hit the kitchen and let me show you how to make an easy AppleTini. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? What you need is Rose's Cocktail Infused Sour Apple Mix. Perfect for AppleTinis. Now, what's even cool is that the cap, it could be our measuring source. So, yeah, so we would need this guy, and then we would need your shaker, and I have one here from when I went to the Arizona Diamondbacks baseball game. So there's that. And then we're gonna need 1.5 ounce of vodka of your choice. And then of course your martini glass. And then 1 cup of ice. Okay? All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and put in 1.5 fluid ounce of the sour apple mix. Now, what's cool is the cap right here is our measuring source. So we're just gonna open this up. Oh, it's a brand new bottle, you guys. I don't know why I like the sound of bottles opening. Anyways, so 1 cap is 1/2 fluid ounce. So what does that mean? Let's do some math. So that means we're gonna put 3 caps, right? 3 caps of this into the mixture. Listen. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to go ahead and put in our 1.5 fluid ounce of vodka of your choice. 1 cup of ice. All right, put a lid on it. It's pretty, y'all. Look at it. It's so pretty. Shake it up. Real quick, as I'm shaking the bottle, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an eater too, and definitely share out this recipe because you might have some family and friends that are interested in an AppleTini. And it's so easy, they could make it too. I think I mixed it pretty good. Now here's my martini glass. And then we're just gonna open up. No. We're gonna open up the top. There we go. And then we're gonna pour it into the glass. Ooh-wee. All right, my eaters. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick, easy, simple AppleTini recipe. It was so easy. I told you, I wasn't lying. But definitely check out hashtag DrinkTips for my 8 friends that are making drink recipes as well. And of course, they're Chef Adventures, Cooking with Kory, Robbie2Vlogs, Kitchen Instruments, YesterKitchen, Cooking My Way, Ryan GS, barbecue stuff, and kitchen queers. That's right, kitchen queers. That's the real name. I'm not being mean. That's the real channel name. Check them out. Anyways, so cheers, my eaters. Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video. I'd say that was pretty easy. It was just using literally vodka, ice, and our sour apple mix.